How to troubleshoot print quality on the HP Sprocket Studio. When you're printing a photo, you're printing a memory you'll have forever. Here are some tips that can help you to print the best quality photos from your HP Sprocket Studio. First, let's check the photo paper. Lift the paper tray cover and then remove all paper. Make sure you have genuine HP Sprocket Studio photo paper, otherwise it's not the right paper. Using standard photo paper can damage the printer and cartridge. Check the condition of the paper. If you find dirt or fingerprints on the glossy side, wipe the surface clear with a microfiber cloth. If you find any sheets that are bent, torn, or wrinkled, remove them from the stack. Hold the stack of photo paper by its sides, making sure not to touch the glossy side, and then load it back into the printer with the HP logos facing down. Lower the cover. Next, let's make sure you have the latest firmware installed. Firmware updates can include improvements to current print quality. Before updating, connect the power cord and then turn on the printer. On your internet-connected mobile device, open the Sprocket app. In Android, if a firmware upgrade window appears, tap Upgrade and then follow the prompts. In iOS, tap the menu icon and then tap Sprocket. Expand Manage Printers, tap your Sprocket, and then tap Printer Settings. If an upgrade displays, tap Get Firmware Upgrade, and then follow the prompts to complete the update. Do not turn off or reset the printer while the status light flashes. With the status light solid, continue troubleshooting. Try temporarily disabling the Reveal feature in the Sprocket app. In the Sprocket app, tap the menu icon, and then tap Sprocket. Tap App Settings, and then toggle off Enable Reveal for prints. If you print a photo and notice that some basic photo adjustments could improve your printout, you can adjust settings right from the Sprocket app. First, tap the photo and then tap the Edit icon. Tap the Autofix wand icon or tap the Adjustments icon and then adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation for a higher quality print. Tap the check mark to confirm the changes and then tap the check mark again. To avoid dark printouts, always make sure you have enough light to clearly see the subject of your photo, and all images are captured in high resolution for the best quality prints. Just a couple last things. Store your paper and cartridges in a cool, dry place, and keep your paper tray closed so your paper doesn't get dirty. Also, move your Sprocket Studio away from any walls or other obstructions so there is at least 5 inches of space behind it when you're printing a photo. Now, print your photo again.